Going through my pack again, making sure that that's okay. I thought I lost my tent this morning, but luckily I found it. But anyways, hold on. I just had 2 cups of coffee, so I feel a little wired, and I just woke up, so I ended up staying here at Plum Orchard Gap Shelter. I started a fire, which took me a little bit of time because it rained the day before, but I got it. I'm about to head out, and I'll be in North Carolina in about 4 miles, so I just, I'm excited. Here's the sunrise. A really nice, lovely couple, Ron and Brenda, gave me a ride from the trailhead down here to Franklin, so that was great of them. I'm going to try to see how far I can go. Tomorrow I should be into Knock, so that would be kind of looking forward to that a little bit. So, yeah, that's my day so far. It's been pretty awesome. It wasn't an easy climb getting up here, but it was fun. Alright, it's March